Hello students, welcome to Quantitative Techniques lecture series. Today we are going to learn weighted arithmetic mean or weighted average. So let us see the meaning of weighted arithmetic mean. So here some observations got relatively more importance than other observations. The weight of such observations should be given on the basis of their relative importance. So until now we have considered all the observations as equal things. So we have given equal importance to each and every observation. But in some cases, so we have to give various importance to each observation. We cannot give the equal points to each observation. For example, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ತರುವಂಥ ಸಾಮಾನುಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕಿ ತಂದಷ್ಟೇ ಉಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅಕ್ಕಿ 50 kg ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಉಪ್ಪನ್ನು ಕೂಡ 50 kg ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್. So for that reason we are going to assign some weights to each observation based on their importance. So in such cases we are going to use weighted arithmetic mean. The formula for this is summation wx divided by summation w. So here w indicates the weights. So weighted summation of all the observation and weighted summation. So this is a formula to calculate weighted arithmetic mean. So let us see this with the example. The following table gives the marks of you and your friend. Find weighted average marks of each candidates. ಈ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So if you consider the total, so here you can find out the total of these two students. So I'll find out the summation of first student is 250 and summation of second student I'll check. So here the total marks obtained by you as well as your friend is equal, but see here it will not be equal in terms of weighted arithmetic mean. So if we consider the simple average, then total marks divided by number of subjects, that is 4. So 250 divided by 4, again here 250 divided by 4. So simple average may be same in both the cases, but our arithmetic or weighted arithmetic mean will differ in both the cases because we have assigned so more importance to management and financial accounting rather than to economics and quantitative techniques. So here you can see the weights. So these weights determines the importance of these subjects. So here we have assigned 100 weights to economics, 150 weights to management, 100 weights to quantitative techniques, 150 weights to financial accounting. So this extra 50 points determines the importance of financial accounting, or this one represents management. So for that reason, so in order to put or in order to provide the unequal importance, we need to assign the weights to each subjects. So here, if it is a simple average, of course the simple average will become same for each candidate, but it will differ under weighted arithmetic mean. Let us see how we can solve this under weighted arithmetic mean. So I'll just copy the subject and weight. So it is same subjects and weights. After that I'll copy this marks of you. So first candidate marks I'll copy. So it is marks of x. I'll change this as x because so in order for further calculation it will become easy for us. So candidate first or your marks I have coded it as x. So here you can see in the formula, our formula tells summation wx. So here weights represents w. So here we know the value of W and we know the value of X. So we need to calculate WX. So how to calculate this WX? So equals W into X. So here 100 into 70, it is 7000. And here it is, weight is 150 into X or marks is 65. So it is 9750. So like the same, we are going to calculate WX. That is the W or weights into marks. So it is the WX for first student. So next one, I'll copy this one. Marks of second student or marks of your friend, I'll copy. But I'll code your friend by Y, so that it will be easy for our calculation. So your friend marks I have coded as Y. So again, so we have to calculate WX. So instead of X, I have considered it as Y. So then we need to calculate WY. So again, W into Y. That means, so here W is 100 fixed into Y value is 65. So here it is 6500. And again the same thing I'll repeat. W value is 150 into Y value is 70. So 150 into 70, 10,500. So like that, we are going to copy the same thing for the remaining two subjects, quantitative techniques and financial accounting. So after that, we can look into formula. So it is summation WX. So for summation WX or summation, we need to find out now. So summation of WX and summation of WY. So I'll find out the summation of WX column here. So from economics, management, quantitative techniques and financial accounting. So the total is 31,500. And again your friend marks, I'll calculate the total of WY, that is 6,500, 10,500, 6,500 and 7,500. So the total is 31,000. You can find out the difference now. Earlier it was same marks 250 and 250 here, but here the marks are different. 31,500 and here is 31,000. So now just apply the values to formula. So in case of U, I'll write U. If it is U, the marks are equals summation WX. Summation WX is 31,500 divided by the total weights or summation W. So this one we need to calculate. So summation W, that is total weights. So we need to consider the total of weights. So total of weight column. So economics to financial accounting. So total weights is 500. So now I'll put or substitute the values to your formula. Summation WX 31,500 divided by summation W 500. So your weighted arithmetic average is 63. And your friend. So in case of your friend equals summation WX is 31,000 divided by total weights. So total weights is common for both the candidates. So it is 500. So your friend weighted arithmetic average is 62. So that is how we can make the differences. If it is a simple average, you know that it will become same average. 250 divided by 4, 250 divided by 4 subjects. But here it will make difference because we have assigned weights or importance to subject. So for that reason, weighted average of you is 63 and weighted average of your friend is 62. So this is how works in case of your degree semester exams, because they will assign the weights to marks or assign the weights to your subject. Your subjects weights based on that they are going to value the things, because ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ 150 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಆನ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 150 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, ಕನ್ನಡ or English 100 marks. So that it will create the differences. But the thing is, even for 150 marks they will provide 1 hour, even for 100 marks they will provide 1 hour within which you have tried the exam. So it will create lots of differences. But the thing here is we are going to assign the importance to subjects. So hope you understood this problem. So I'll take one more problem. So here, a train runs 25 kilometers at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Another 50 kilometers at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour, and 6 minutes at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. Finally, covers the remaining distances of 24 kilometers at a speed of 24 kilometers per hour. What is the average speed in kilometer per hour? See here, it's an important problem. Normally ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ 30 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ರನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 40 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರನ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಏನು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ 4 ಕೇಸಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ 4 ಕೇಸಸ್ಸಿನ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಇನ್ ಎ ಹರಿ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಈ 4 ಸ್ಪೀಡನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ we should calculate weighted average instead of simple average for this problem. So ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಪುನಃ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಆವ್ರೇಜ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್. So for that reason, so here we need to calculate weighted average for this problem. So here you can see the third situation. 6 minutes at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. So 6 minutes 10 kilometers travel ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. So here once we decided weighted average for this particular problem, so we know that our formula is summation wx divided by summation w. So here we need to recognize the w as well as x. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಉಂಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟೇಕನ್. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಸ್ w, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಸ್ x ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಸ್ wx. So here I have already told that 3 parameters: speed, time taken and total kilometers traveled. Speed we can consider as weight, so it is w, and time taken that we can consider as x, and total kilometers traveled that we can consider as w into x, because total kilometers can be calculated by speed into time taken. So I'll put this third example first. So 6 minutes at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. So here speed 10 kilometers per hour and time taken is 6 minutes. So total kilometers traveled is 60. 6 minutes travel ಮಾಡಿದರೆ 10 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸನ್ನು ಅವರು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 10 into 6, it is 60 kilometers. So I'll come to first one here. A train runs 25 kilometers at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. So here it's little tricky to find out the things, the weight as well as the time taken. So here distance traveled divided by speed, it will become time taken. So here, for the first case, time taken we need to calculate. A train runs 25 kilometers at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. The speed is fixed. They have given 30 kilometers per hour. But time taken we need to calculate. So for this we have a formula. For this we have a formula. Time taken in minutes equals to distance traveled divided by speed. So here distance traveled they have given 6 minutes at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. So it is this one. A train runs 25 kilometers. So 25 divided by speed. So speed is 30 kilometers per hour into 60 minutes per hour. So that is 50. And again in the second situation, 50 kilometers that he has travelled at a speed of 40 kilometers per hour. Its fixed speed is fixed 40 kilometers, but here we have to apply the formula time taken in minutes. So here distance travelled is 50 kilometers divided by speed is 40 kilometers per hour into 60 minutes per hour, that is 75. And the last one, 24 kilometers at a speed of 24 kilometers per hour. So 24 kilometers per hour, the speed is a fixed, it is 24, but here we have to apply the formula 24 kilometers divided by 24 kilometers per hour into 60 minutes. So time taken is 60 minutes. So this is how we can find out the time taken as well as speed. So once we have find out these two, then easily we can calculate Wx or W into x. So for the first case, W is 30 into x value is 50. So the answer is 1500. And in the second case, W is 40 into x value is 75. So Wx is 3000. So for third case, we have already calculated 10 kilometers per hour speed into 6 minutes. So 60 kilometers traveled. And in the third case, I'll repeat the steps. Weights 24 into time taken. So it is 1440. So I'll take the summation Wx here. So total of Wx column, that is from 1500 to 1440. So the total is 6000. Again we need to calculate the summation W. So I'll take the total of speed here.